Hello again. It's only about 10 minutes since I talked to you. I just wanted to point out a few things. The cliffs that you see at 12 o'clock in front of us, also to the side here, are the Book Cliffs. My day job, I'm a geologist. Geologists love to study these cliffs here. Still doing good. We slowed down a bit. We had about a 200 knot wind just past Park City, probably because of the topography. Air speeding up over the terrain now. We're down to about 185 knots again. So you won't be able to see it because it's in the haze, but at 12 o'clock, about 20 minutes ahead of us is Moab and Canyonlands, and hopefully I'll be able to get some shots of the national parks there. We'll also pass by Arches. Arches will be on our left, Canyonlands on our right. So I'll talk to you again when we get there. First point of interest is the view you're looking toward, the LaSalle Mountains, and also Arches National Park. You'll be able to see the Arches from this altitude, which, by the way, we're descending now. I'm descending down to 9,500 because the heater failed. I don't know why, but I'm freezing my butt off, so try to get down to a bit warmer air. So, and then at 12 o'clock is the town of Moab. Not sure how well that will turn out. And if you look, if you can see the highway going into town, there's a big fault creating a large cliff face to the west, to the right of the highway. Very spectacular fault. There's a lot of faults in this area, which really add to the scenery. Right, we're currently 35 miles northwest of Cortez now, and the GPS is saying that we'll start our descent in 5 minutes. We're at 9,500 now, and airport elevation, hold on, should know this already, but airport elevation is 6,000, so we'll make our pattern at 7,000, 1,000 above that. So if I didn't have the GPS, I could tell you it's real simple. 9,500 minus 7,000 is 2,500 feet. 500 feet per minute, that's 5 minutes. So, plus I usually add a couple minutes to that to allow for slowing down to get in the pattern, especially in the 310. And like a Cessna 172, I don't add any time. So anyway, hopefully here in a minute we'll get the ASOS, Automated Surface Observation System weather, find out what runway they're using, and then we'll join up in the pattern and land. And there we'll get fuel, and then we'll look at the weather and see what we're going to do from here. Okay, we're now 15 miles to the northwest of Cortez, sitting at 8,600. Listen to the weather, the ASOS.
Altimeter 2993. Remarks. Density altitude 7,400. Cortez Montezuma County Airport. Automated weather observation 2113 Zulu. Wind 270 at 12. Peak gusts 15. Visibility Sky condition, broken, 10,000. Temperature, 16 Celsius. Dew point, -04 Celsius.
So we'll enter a crosswind. Since we're coming from the northwest, we'll enter a crosswind for runway 21, a left crosswind. Okay, the descent approach checklist. Armrests are stowed, seatbelts and harnesses are fastened. Landing light is on. Mixtures are set. Fuel pumps are on low. Fuel selectors are on the tip tanks. Altimeter instruments set and cross-check. And approach briefing is reviewed. Okay, so we're just turning crosswind now. Cortez traffic, Twin Cessna 7 Whiskey Deltas on a left crosswind for 21, full stop at Cortez. We're at 7,000 feet. Make sure we turn down wind here in a second. As you can see, there's cliffs at 12 o'clock, but they're not as bad as they look. We've got plenty of room at our speed. And gear coming down. One, two, three, three in the green. And flaps 15, so let's do our before landing check, gas. Undercarriage down lock 3 green, mixture set, props to go, boost, flaps to go. Cortez traffic, Twin Cessna 7 Whiskey Delta is turning base for runway 21, Cortez. And there's the town of Cortez at 12 o'clock, so we turn here on base. So hopefully you'll see the airport there, the runway. We're just getting ready to turn from base to final. Cortez traffic, Twin Cessna 7 Whiskey Delta is turning final, runway 21, full stop, Cortez. Props to RPM. Okay, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, boost, flaps, landing checks complete. A little bit high. Thing drops like a brick though with the props and the high RPM and the flaps down, so not worried about being too high. Cortez traffic, 7-1 Whiskey Delta short final 2-1. You can see the runway's off to the left of your screen. That's because there's a pretty good crosswind. Okay, welcome to Cortez, Colorado. Yeah, the windsock, it's not blowing too bad there. If you could see it, we were turning off.